Hello, welcome to the Maryland Gardener channel. We're going to show you how I plant my potatoes. So I'll show you how I do mine. First of all, when you get your potatoes, say it's a homegrown potato or store-bought potato, you want to cut it where the sprouts are coming up. Just cut the ends of it, let them dry out. It'll keep them from rotting in the ground when they're under the ground and moist. It'll keep them from rotting. So in a few days, cut them, put them on the shelf, a dark place for about a couple of days until they harden up like this. Get a little bit of a scab there, and they don't rot in the ground when you plant them. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare the soil. Now I'm going to plant the potatoes. If you look at the container here, I'm going to probably fill the dirt up to about this level here. This level. And then, or maybe a little lower. I might just do it maybe in the middle here. And then as the plant starts to grow, you fill the dirt up. Keep filling the dirt up until you get to the top. And then once you reach the top with dirt, you just let the plants go until they die off and the potatoes are ready for you. So let me show you what I put in the dirt. So we're going to fill the pot right now with the dirt. You want to make sure your pot is drains very well. So make sure they got the holes are big enough for the water to drain. You don't want the water to sit in there and rot your potatoes out. So just fill the pot with dirt. This is compost soil and Miracle Grow. Almost getting there. I think a little bit more dirt. Okay. I'm gonna add bone meal. Let's say maybe about a teaspoon. About 2-3 teaspoons. And then some worm castings. Try it out. Mix that in pretty good. Mix that in well. Add some more dirt there. Okay, now I'm going to plant my potatoes right now. So I'll have one potato. I'm going to plant four in this planter. This pot right here, plant 4 of them. Make sure the eyes are pointing up. See how this? Make sure they're pointing up here. There. This is all for one potato, so eye pointing up. Put it right in the middle here. Right in the middle. Another one here, I've chitted. Might hang on there, still pretty good. Cover them up. Put a little more dirt in there. A little more on top. And that's how high I usually pot it. And as the plants come up, as they start to sprout up and get taller, I fill it with more dirt until it reaches the top. So this dirt I have left over, I'm going to put away until I need it, until it starts to grow, and then we'll see what happens. My last harvest was really good. I was surprised, so we'll see how this one does. I don't know, maybe maybe 4 months or so before the fall, before frost. Hopefully I'll have something I can show you guys. But that's all I need to. That's all. I might add a little bit more, actually. Handful of bone meal, just on top. a handful of worm castings, and that should be it. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps you out in some way. You gotta try your potatoes. Don't be scared to put them in there and try. If you have any left over, go ahead and pop them in there. You never know. And you have a great day, and I hope to see you guys back again. Take care.